When it comes to rolling over your IRA to gold, there are a few costly mistakes you'll want to avoid to make sure you don't lose out on protecting your wealth. If you're serious about securing your retirement savings, stick around, because I'm about to break down everything you need to know so you can avoid those pitfalls and set yourself up for long-term success. If you're feeling uncertain about gold IRAs, you're not alone. Many Americans are realizing that traditional retirement accounts aren't always the best choice when it comes to keeping their wealth safe, especially with inflation rising and the dollar losing value. That's why thousands of retirees are making the smart move into gold IRAs, securing their savings for the future. If you're interested in learning why gold IRAs are such a powerful tool for wealth protection, click the first link in the description to get your free guide. Now let's dive in. One of the most common mistakes I see with IRA rollovers is not doing enough research on the custodian. Not all custodians are created equal. Many offer high fees, poor customer service, or lack the experience needed to handle the complexities of gold IRA rollovers. It's critical to find a custodian who specializes in gold IRAs and has a strong track record of helping retirees like you protect their wealth. I can't emphasize this enough. The custodian you choose will have a huge impact on the success of your rollover, so take your time and make sure you're working with the right one. Next, let's talk about something that's often overlooked: the type of gold you're rolling over into. While many people know that gold IRAs are the go-to for wealth protection, they may not realize that not just any gold qualifies for these types of accounts. You need to make sure you're buying IRS-approved gold coins or bars. Buying the wrong type of gold can lead to penalties and additional taxes, which defeats the whole purpose of rolling over in the first place. Stick to IRS-approved gold like American Gold Eagles, Canadian Gold Maple Leafs, or gold bars with the proper purity level, and you'll avoid costly mistakes down the line. Another mistake is overlooking the importance of timing when making a gold IRA rollover. Some people rush into rolling over their IRA into gold without considering the current market conditions. Gold can be volatile, and if you roll over at the wrong time, you could end up paying a premium or taking a loss. It's important to have a strategy and understand the best time to move your funds. Be sure to consult with a professional who can guide you on timing your rollover to maximize the value of your investment. Another thing you need to consider is tax implications. When rolling over your IRA to a gold IRA, it's crucial that you do it correctly to avoid unnecessary taxes or penalties. A direct rollover is the best option because it allows you to move your funds directly from your existing account into your gold IRA without triggering a taxable event. A distribution, on the other hand, could result in taxes and penalties, which would eat away at your savings. Always make sure you're doing a direct rollover and consult a tax professional to make sure everything is done properly. Lastly, one of the biggest mistakes retirees make is not thinking about their long-term goals. A gold IRA is not just about short-term gains, but about protecting your wealth for the long haul. Make sure you're thinking about how this fits into your retirement plan and how it can provide stability and security during your retirement years. With the right approach, a gold IRA can be an incredible tool to safeguard your wealth as you enter retirement. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you about that free guide I mentioned earlier. If you're ready to take the next step in protecting your wealth with a gold IRA, click the first link in the description. This guide will help you get a clear roadmap of how gold IRAs work and why so many Americans with $100K or more in their retirement accounts are making the switch. It's the perfect solution for retirees who want to protect their savings and avoid costly mistakes like those I've just outlined. So if you're serious about securing your retirement and you have $100K or more in your IRA, 401K, or even 5 Mem Plus in savings, don't wait any longer. Take action today to protect your wealth by getting that free guide and learning everything you need to know about gold IRAs. It's a decision you won't regret.